Hello guys, welcome to Servlet tutorial. Now we shall see how to configure Oracle Weblogic Application Server with Netbeans IDE's existing web project. Just now we have seen how to configure JBoss server with Netbeans IDE and how to add. Now we shall see about how to configure existing web server, existing installed Oracle Weblogic application server into Netbeans IDE with existing Java web application. So this is JW5 HTML database is Java web application and it contains web.xml, index.html. Already I have seen this file in the last session. Okay, it contains for registration form like fields like name, age, gender, address, qualification, courses, then hobbies, and then two buttons, one is submit and one is reset. This is the configuration of web.xml file. Okay, and let me add here welcome file. So welcome file is also I need to configure here. So let me go to some other web and web.xml web.inf. Let me go to src and configurations. So where I can find my web.xml file. So let me check here. So I don't find anywhere web.xml. So let me go for web.xml later on. So I'll go with the welcome file list. Welcome file list, and let me close welcome file list. So and let me configure here welcome file. So what is the welcome file name? It's here index.html, close of welcome file list. Okay, fine guys, so that's it. Let me add this stuff here also, and so now registration servlet contains all these informations. So these are the headers. This is process request method, gathering all the request parameter, displaying all the values, and then writing the JDBC logic to insert the record. And then this is the end of your calling the process request method from doGet and doPost. That's it. Now let me configure my already installed JBoss server. Before coming to this tutorial, please go through how to install Weblogic Server, Weblogic Application Server software on Windows. Then you can go for creating the domain. Last time already I created some domains. Then you can go for how to deploy the applications. Okay, so before coming to this tutorial, please go through these tutorials, how to install, download, and then how to create the domain and some other extra information. Okay, fine guys, so let me go for configuring. This is my Java web application. Right click, properties, go to run. So browse and select. So first of all I need to add the server. That before running I need to add the server. So add the server first of all. To add the server, so where is my, so add externally installed. So here I have to do same process. So here add externally installed Weblogic Server in Netbeans IDE. Go to tools menu, server, add server. So here you have to select. That's it. This is the change. Okay, so I'll change this stuff. So what I have to do, so go to tools menu, or you can go to services here also. So right click on server, click on add server, right click on server and add server in the services services window or palette. Otherwise you can go to tools menu. Under tools menu you can hit the server. Here also you will find same. Okay, click the add server. You will find here Oracle Weblogic. Hit the next. Once I hit the next, again I'm hitting one more time, hit the next. Once you hit the next, you can see here, so Oracle middleware user project. Okay, fine. So let me try in this way also. Okay, fine. It is not coming. Please enter valid directory. Let me browse. So here is my Oracle middleware WLS server. Open. So this is one way. Control C. Let me copy and paste. Okay, here I install. One more way. So here, browse. So last time we have created some domains, user projects, domains, AdvBatchDomain. Open. Okay, and the password we have configured. Last time I configured the password, that is Java boss, and here is Java boss1. Okay, otherwise Control C, Control V, 1. Hit the finish. Okay, hit the finish. That's it. Just now I added the Weblogic server. So here, let me go to my C drive, Oracle middleware, user projects, domains, ADB domain. Okay, enter the username and password. So browse and select not extracted. Okay, then enter username and password. Enter username and password for already created domain. So how to create the domain in Weblogic server? Please, I request you go to the previous tutorials before coming to these tutorials. So installation, creating domains. So please go through these tutorials. Okay, then hit the finish. Okay, now next, let me link my project. Okay, so here, link Oracle Weblogic Server, with Netbeans IDE. Okay, so actually I'm using JW5, so configured. Okay, fine. So here I have to select the server, not JBoss, select Weblogic, and then hit OK. So you can see here, already I configured my web.xml file. This is my web.xml file, contains registration servlets, and index.html is welcome file list, index.html and registration servlet. So page up. Here I'm using JW5, so that's what I commented at the web servlet annotation, and import web servlet also. Fine guys. So go to project. This is your HTML. Right click on properties. Go to run. So select here Oracle Weblogic. It's a JW5. Hit OK. So saving project data. Scanning projects. Once scan gets complete, and then run the application. So test the application, run and test the web application. Okay, fine. So now let me run and test the web application here. So right click, hit the run. Before it should start, your Oracle Weblogic should start here. Okay, where is my server console? Checking external changes. JBoss Application Server, let me check what the issue with this. So started now. So shutdown complete. It's for JBoss. I'm looking for WebLogic. Let it start now. So scanning. This was for existing Apache Tomcat. This is for JBoss. I'm looking for Oracle Weblogic. Don't know how much time it will take to start. Okay, fine. So I have to wait till then. So I'm waiting, still it has to finish. Once it finished, then we'll proceed for running the applications. Okay, fine. So finish it, early finish, waiting for run. How much time it will take, don't know. So scanning. Checking for external changes, suspended, scanning projects. Once this scanning gets complete, your server will start and we can run our application also. one thing, let me check once. Right click, properties. Yes, it's Oracle Weblogic only. Still waiting 30%. How much will take time? Scanning. Come on, finish up. Then once this gets complete, so we'll proceed for WebSphere. So even WebLogic is also an application server. I need not to mention because in the last session only I taught all this stuff. Okay, this we'll see, but let it finish first. Once it finish, we'll proceed for new topic, that is session tracking or handling. So first of all, we'll understanding dynamic form page. Then we'll proceed for explanation, diagrams, your application. Then we'll go for explanation, diagram, then explanation. We'll go for Java web application. Need of session tracking or handling. Then I think we started done. No, not yet. Then we'll understand stateful stateless behavior. Stateless behavior of web application. Then stateful behavior of web application. Then we'll go for protocol. HTTP is designed as stateless and it is not given as stateful protocol. Okay, done. 87%. Okay guys, my Oracle Weblogic is starting now. Starting Weblogic with Java version. So Once it starts, we'll run the application. (192.168.70.70) protocols for IIOP. Console. Now you can see here Oracle is started. We can go for stop. Okay, fine. So starting now. So started, you can see here. So last time it was running on the port number, okay, 7070. Let me install someone like Gangadhar Shinde, age is suppose 25 or 23, male, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. He is pursuing BMA. He is looking for Java package. He like watching TV. He like traveling, and hit the submit. So student information Gangadhar Shinde, and one record saved or inserted to database successfully. So let me open my database and hit the refresh. So you can see here Gangadhar Shinde. Okay, fine. So guys, record inserted successfully. Root, use test, select star from student. Select star from student. Okay, you can see here the entered information here from browser window as well as on your console. Okay, fine. Okay guys, okay, fine. So now we shall see about WebSphere. Procedure to configure externally installed IBM WebSphere application server with Netbeans IDE. Okay, fine. Thank you.